Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. If you guys do a lot of trail riding with your buddies or family and you want to capture those special moments with your GoPro, then check out this universal UTV GoPro holder from Kemimoto. In this video I will show you how easily it is to install this Kemimoto GoPro holder to your UTV. I'll do a quick unboxing, show you what's all included inside with your kit, get this installed, and then we'll take it out on the trails and give it a test ride. So stick around. Alright, inside this kit you're going to receive everything that you need to install your GoPro to your UTV. It's going to come with a set of instructions. You're going to receive your camera mount, the mounting bracket, and all of this stuff here that I'm showing you is made out of a aluminum material, so you don't have to worry about it rusting. You're going to receive your mounting bracket, all of the hardware along with 2 Allens to secure everything down, your GoPro camera thumb screw, and it's going to come with these 3 different sets of rubber pads, and they're different thicknesses, and these are used inside your mounting brackets here, and it will be dependent upon how thick your roll bar is. Alright, the first step you want to do is find a location where you want to mount your GoPro. Take your mounting brackets and place them over the top. This way you can determine the space between your roll bar and the mounting brackets, and you will be able to decide which rubber pad you're going to need to use. So in my case I have the 1 3/4 inch roll bar, so I'm going to use the thickest rubber pad that they supplied. These rubber pads have a adhesive backing. Just peel them off, line up your rubber pad, it's a little tricky. Get it into place, lined up nicely, take your time. And then press down firmly and get that really secured nicely to the mounting bracket. And do the same thing with this pad on the other side of the bracket. Now what you want to do is take your mounting brackets, place one on each side of your roll cage, then take your 4 supplied mounting bolts and the Allen wrench and tighten everything down uniform. Now take your bracket, take one of the 2 larger supplied bolts, drop it in through this hole so it comes out this side here, like such, and then secure it onto this. And the nice thing about this bracket here and this bracket is it has these little grooves here, and they can be adjusted at any degree and it'll stay locked into place. Set the angle that you want and then snug it up. Now for the final piece, take your camera mount bracket, place it on top. Again, this can be turned and it locks into place with these grooves. Find the angle that you want. Take one of your larger last bolts that you have, place it up inside and tighten it down. And the final step is to grab your GoPro and mount that in place with the supplied thumb screw. This universal Kemimoto UTV GoPro holder is made of high quality aluminum alloy, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or rusting. It offers 360-degree rotation of your camera. Can be mounted on roll cages from 1 3/4 inch up to 2 inches. It only takes a couple minutes to install. We're now ready to go hit the trails and create some memories. Well, thanks for riding along with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in checking out this universal GoPro holder from Kemimoto, I'll have a link down in the description below. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.